We're here at the FlightHouse Bar and Grill here on Harvest Caye. Nice music, good food. It's their private island again, Belize, for Norwegian Cruise Line. Little tiki hut. We got a nice breeze here in November, mid-November. Pretty nice little hut, pretty large size. And look at our view. We're going to get some ceviche, some nice drinks. It is an extra cost off the ship, which is fine. Here's some drink prices right here. A couple of beers here at the bottom for $7, Coke for $3.25, water. And here's what they have here at the bar. Look at this nice view. It's perfect. And of course, you can't beat the pina colada, right? You can't beat the pina colada. All right. Very good.